Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? So we're here in La Ceiba and I want to share with you the classic Ceiba salad. Many of you have asked how to make this, so we're gonna make it. This salad, I put it on the menu 5 years ago when I came here, and it's a take from a recipe that I learned from my mentor, a French chef in Mexico City, and as well it has a little twist from my grandma. So that's how we came up with this recipe that it's a classic already. So to make this salad, what we need is cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, avocado, and then we're gonna marinate all these ingredients in a garlic vinaigrette. For the garlic vinaigrette, we need garlic that we're gonna grate it with a fork. Then we're gonna put some salt, and then of course the vinegar, marinating everything, and then we're gonna put oil on it. So let's do it. So to start, so we're gonna grate with the tips of the fork, which is a very unique tool, and garlic, the garlic clove, we're grating it, you see? And in this way, you can find some other ways to do this. You can have a microplane or grater, but this is how the chef Olivier teach me, so that's how we do it. And we do this every day here in your home, away from home. So we have already almost all the garlic gone. It's all grated here. Then we put some sea salt. This is a sea salt from Pacific coast, from Colima. Some vinegar. You can put red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, champagne vinegar. So we put enough vinegar. And now you can see here right now the garlic and the salt. You see? So after we mix it, the salt that has all the juices from the garlic is gonna melt in the vinegar, and then this vinegar is gonna be really tasty, garlicky, salty. That's what we want. You see, right now there is no more salt, it's only garlic pieces. We have this garlic vinegar. We're gonna chop the tomatoes a la bim bomba, just like roughly, however you like. I like big chunks, so there is no right or wrong here. Olivier, my mentor, he liked in wedges like this, and he used to do it like that. I like it smaller. So we put all these tomatoes. Let's put another one. We just need to cover the tomatoes with the vinegar, okay? And then we marinate this. Okay, so now some cucumber, you can do like that, pim pam pum. I like when a salad have big chunks because it's kind of, I feel it more refreshing. When you have a big bite, it's like a fiesta in your mouth. And that's what we want you to have at home, a little fiesta from your home. And then we put we cut the onion. I like the onion in cubes, not too big, because the onion is a little bit stronger. So we just do like this. This is a take from a Greek salad or Israeli salad, but the garlic vinaigrette makes it a little bit different. So we let this salad to marinate for from 15 to 30 minutes. More you let it sit, it's even better. That's the only secret on this salad, is the time of marination. What the vinegar is doing is dehydrating the ingredients there, so they're concentrating more the flavors and of course adding some acidity to it. So after it's marinating for that time, 15 minutes at least, we're gonna drain all this vinegar. Look. So this vinegar, it used to be only red wine vinegar with garlic, but now it has a lot of the water from these ingredients, which it's part of this dehydration, right? Now there is no more vinegar, right? A lot of people is worried about putting enough vinaigrette in a salad. In this case, the vinaigrette, it's inside of the vegetables, and now we're just drizzled with olive oil, and it's ready, right? So you don't need to have the vinaigrette in the salad. This is already, the flavor is there. Let me try. Oh. So now we just finished with arugula from the garden, just like that. Boom, boom. You can put lettuce, you can put arugula or anything. And then we put this salad. Yeah. And then we just finish it. We have to put a little twist from Mexico. So if it were a Greek salad, we should put some feta cheese, but we're in Mexico, we don't put feta cheese, we put avocado, right? So we just do some cubes of avocado. This should be with a spoon, but it's okay. Nobody is gonna say anything. Boom, boom. And a little extra salt. That's it. So I really hope you enjoy this salad. It's made with great ingredients, lots of love, and we just want you to feel closer no matter the distance. Please, by the way, let us know if you want to learn any other dish that it's your favorite, like this one. A lot of people ask for it. So just comment below and we will try to make it as soon as possible. We have time. Enjoy.